Alright guys, I updated Handheld Companion today and it completely messed up all my profiles. So I uninstalled it, started over brand new, and now I got everything working great except for some reason my trackpads don't work when I have Handheld Companion menus when they're open. They will work just fine. See? Without it, everything works as it should. But I open a menu and my cursor just stops working. I can use it with a mouse, but when I use the trackpad or the joystick, whether I'm in game mode or desktop mode, it don't work. A really weird bug. And prior to that, everything to the prior update, everything was working flawlessly. I had motion controls were set up with Call of Duty, custom profiles for my crypto and MMORPG games like Night Crows and Mir 4, and now I have to start all over. If anybody knows a fix or how to revert back to the old versions of Handheld Companion, because this one is not working great for me, please let me know, or if I could get some kind of help or assistance from anybody out there, that'd be cool, that knows what they're doing with this. I can go through the settings with it with someone if they want it or anything. But this is the version I'm running, and I'm just trying to get this fixed because it's really annoying. Thanks, guys. This is version 0.21 or 0.21.0.1, as you can say.